Video 1, set theory. Okay, it is one of the easiest concept. Okay, so what is set theory? What is set? Okay, a set is a collection of objects. What kind of object? Example है set of vowels. Okay, e I o u. Set of even numbers 2 4 6 8 10. Set of days in a week like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. What are they? Set collection theory. Okay, and how can we define set? How would we know that it is a set? Okay, how to write set? तो ये कर्ली ब्रैकेट्स है ना, this curly brackets mean this is a set. Okay, this is a set and these are its element. 2 and 4 is elements. Easy. Next, there will be a lots of things but it will be all easy. You just have to remember those. Okay, so a, if set is empty. Okay, now this is a set and there is no element inside it, so what we call it? We call it a null set, or we can say it is the empty set. Okay, both terms are used. It can be asked, okay, what is the symbol of null set? It is this is a null set. Okay, it defines nothing, this or this. Okay, these are same. Null set, we can call it phi. Phi, it is pronounced as phi. Now if a set is limited, okay, there are finite numbers in like 1 2 3 4 5, the set is ended, so it is a finite set. Next, a set is not n. Okay, मतलब वो it goes to infinity 1 2 3 4 5 6 up to infinity, so it will be called infinity set. Easy. Next, equal set, if same elements. Okay, like a has 1 2 3, then b has 3 2 1. Okay, it's not in correct order but all the elements are same, right? So we can say that a equals b. Order doesn't matter. Okay, the what is the symbol of this? Equals this is the symbol of this set. Okay, a equals b means elements are same. Okay, and there was one more, a similar to b. Okay, we use this term like up to 3. Okay, up to 4. What does that mean? Well, similar. Like the example for this one is, let's say a has 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, and b has 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so what is the common between this set? Okay, the number 5 number and 5. Only one number is similar, 5 and 5. In such a cases we call it a samyagan. English mein I don't know, there is no word for this in English, but we can say in Gujarati mein we call it a samyagan, samya set. Okay, only one digit should be same, then we can use this symbol. A equals, only one element is same in a and b both. Okay, easy. Now subset, this is the important one. Okay, subset. Now this is the example, a has 1 and 2, b has 1 2 and 3. Okay, so all the elements of a are inside the b. All elements of a are in the b. That's it. So a is smaller than b, so we call it a is a subset of b. Easy. A is a subset of b. All the elements of a are all the. Okay, don't confuse. We can also say that this samyagan is also subset. We can also write here. No, we cannot write here. Okay, because only one we cannot write here. We cannot write subset. Only one element is matching here, 5 and 5. Okay, so we can use that. Only when one element is similar in both, we can say it is a samyagan. This is the symbol of samyagan. Okay, similar. Now, and what we were discussing, subset means 1 2 1 2 3. Okay, matlab a whole set comes inside this one. Okay, all elements of a and b. Okay, so how can we write it? A subset b. Okay, this is the symbol, a subset b. Okay, next one, union of set. Now let's say a is 1 2 and b is 2 3. तो how can we union it? Union का symbol है ये u, union of. तो we just have to write all the numbers of A and B, 1 2 3. Okay, no repetition, matlab 2 is coming here and 2 is coming here as well, but we don't need to repeat that. Okay, union of set is all the numbers of A and B, 1 2 3. Okay, this is one the example. Now intersection, matlab common elements. Okay, what are the common elements in A and B? A has 1 2 3, B has 2 3 4. The common are 2 3 2 3 2 3. Easy. Intersection of A and B will be 2 3. These types of questions are asked in exam. Okay, union of set all the elements, and in intersection only common elements. Easy. Now there are some questions. Okay, which is an empty set? Okay, which is an empty set? We know what we know about empty set. Empty set का symbol है this curly bracket, or we can say phi. Okay, there are no elements in empty set. We know that much. Let's see. Days in a week. Okay, it is a set. Days in a week. If there are days in a week, we know Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. We can write that. So it is a complete set. It is not a empty set. Okay. Now months with 32 days. Months with 32 days are, there is no month with 32. So this set is empty. So our answer will be B. Okay, now next question. A has 1 2, B has 1 2 3. So which of the below are correct? A is a subset of B, B is a subset of A. What is the correct one? Okay, B has all the elements. Okay, so B is bigger. A does not have that. So A is small. So who is bigger? B. So A will be subset. So we can say A is a subset of B. Okay, how can we write that? A is a subset of B. Don't confuse this symbol with this one. Okay, this one means bigger, this one means smaller, which is true here in this case as well, but for this instance, for set we use this symbol. Okay, this is for numbers only. Now union of 1 2 2 3. Okay, union of 1 2 2 3. 1, so union means all the numbers. So 1 2 2 3. Correct? Wrong. This is wrong. We don't want repetition. We don't want repetition in set. 1 2 3. Done. Okay, this was the correct answer. Okay, I again telling you, if only one element is same in both the set, then it is a Samya Gan. Okay, Samya set. Hindi Gujarati Samya set. This is what I have found from my way. Okay, now one element. If in set there is only one element, let's say phi, apple, number, Sunday. Okay, now one more thing. Okay, it doesn't mean ki set has only digits. Okay, it can has integers, numbers. It can has alphabets. Okay, words, anything. So okay, now if only it has one element, then it is called as unit set. Next complement set. Okay, how can we, this one is easier. Okay, let's say universal set has 1 2 3 4 5 and A has 1 2. Okay, so what are the components which are not in A? So which is 3 4 and 5, 3 4 and 5. So what will be that? That will be a complement of A. Okay, that will be opposite of A. So what will be that? A dash. Okay, this symbol means that all the elements in A dash are different from A. Okay, in Hindi we call it Purak Gan. Okay, here we call it complement set. Easy. Only जो numbers यहाँ पे नहीं है, we have to write that. Now equivalent set. Equivalent set means कि the numbers are same. मतलब it has 3 elements. This also has 3 elements. That's it. So that will be equivalent set. Okay, don't confuse that with equal set. Equal set means equal set means both have same elements. Okay, same elements, but for equivalent set, only numbers are same. Okay, it has 3 elements, it also has 3 elements. Easy. Now there is a note that all empty set are subset of all set. Okay, empty sets are this. Okay, let's call it any random set. Okay, let's say 3 5. Okay, or let's say Monday or Tuesday. Okay, but this is empty and this is full. Okay, so what we are saying, all empty sets are subset of all set. Okay, now this is smaller than this empty set is also smaller than this. Okay, so we can say it is a empty set is a subset of this set, empty set is a subset of this set. Okay, this can be asked in a questions. Okay, so this will be the symbol that empty set is a subset of any given set. Okay, all set, anything. Okay, this one is done. Next one, it is about the numbers and their symbol. Okay, natural numbers, so it has a symbol of n. Natural numbers mean 1 2 3 4 5 up to infinity. Then prime numbers, prime number doesn't have symbol, but we can call it p. Okay, in prime numbers we have 2 3 5 7 11 13. What are the prime numbers? Okay, it cannot be divided by any other number. Okay, let's say ki 4 hai. Okay, 4 we can divide by 2, so we get 2. So 4 is not a prime number. 5 hai, 5, what can we divide by 5 and we get an answer? Nothing, we can only divide it by 1 or it's 5. Okay, but 5 is a these are the prime numbers. Let's say give example of 8. 8, let's say it can be divided by 2, it will give 4. Okay, so it is not a prime number. These are the numbers which cannot be divided by any other number. Okay, 13 cannot be divided by 5 or 6 or 7 or any number. Okay, it can only be divided by 13 by 13 or 13 by 1. Okay, which is the rule of the prime number. Another thing about prime number is that 2 second is the only even digit prime number. Even digit. Okay, 2 is even, 3 is odd, 5 is odd, 7 is odd, 11 is odd, 13 is odd. Okay, what can be the next number after the 13? Okay, let's say 13 after 14. Can we divide 14 by 2? Yes, we can. So it is not a prime number. Then 15, can we divide 15 by 2? No. Can we divide it by 3? Yes, we can divide it 15 cross 15 by 3. So it is also not a prime number. 16, not a prime number. 17, yes, 17 is a prime number, so we will write 17. We cannot divide 17 with anyone. Okay, then the next will be 19, then will be 23, then will be, I'm calculating everything inside my head. 24 can be divided, 25 can be divided, 26 can be divided, 27 can be divided, 28 can be divided, 29 cannot, 30 can be divided, 31 cannot be divided. So it goes up to infinity, prime numbers. Next, whole numbers. Whole numbers mean all numbers. Okay, so it has and matlab natural numbers plus 0. So 0 1 2 3 up to infinity, it is a whole number. The symbol for whole number is W. For natural it is N. For prime P. Okay, now integers. Integers means 0 minus plus. Okay, integers covers all numbers, positive and negative. Okay, this start with infinity, for 0, then 1 2 3 up to infinity, again infinity. Okay, the symbol of integer is Z. This is tricky one. The integer symbol is Z. Then comes the rational number, the numbers which can be divided. Okay, 1 2, minus 5 by 2, 0 by 5, 5 by 2. Okay, this let's say 5 by 2, 5 by 2 will give us answer 2.5. Okay, मतलब point है ना, this point is rational. So these are all rational numbers. Okay, but there is one condition in this one as well, that the denominator, okay, it should not be 0, never. Okay, it cannot be 0, because if it will become 0, then it is not mathematically possible to give an answer. Okay, so this should not happen, that the denominator should not be 0. Okay, Now let's say this is natural number. What is bigger than natural numbers? It is whole numbers because it has extra zero. Then what is bigger than that? It is integer. Z means integer. Integers has plus, minus and zero. Then what is bigger than that? It is q. Q means rational number because rational numbers consist everything. Okay, it also consists -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. What it consists more is 1.1, 0.5, all these numbers. So q is bigger than that. Rational numbers are biggest. Okay, now it is chart time. Okay, what we see right now will be asked in the exam. We call this as a Venn diagram. Okay, sometimes box is given, sometimes box is not given. Okay, but this is a Venn diagram theory. Okay, what we have learned right now, you can see that here. Okay, first what we learn about is a union, universal set union. Okay, so what we learned is AUV. Okay, let's suppose the A has 1 and 2 and B has uh, 2 and 4. Okay, so if we do its union, the answer will be 1, 2 and 4. Okay, tell me which the 1, 2 and 1, 2 and 4. So how much area will this A union B will cover? It will cover this much area. All this area will come under the union A union B. Easy. Now A intersection B. Okay, what we do here, we only write the common number. So we have A means 1, 2 and B means 2, 4. What is the common number? 2. Okay, so that will be 2. And here if we want to symbolize that is, so it will be here. We only do which A has and B has, only common between A and B, so that will be this one. Okay, so the 2 will be here in this area. Got that? Easy. Then A dash. Okay, we had given them here A and B. This was also A and B, but in this case A dash. So if A is here, then A dash will be this one, which does not come inside A. You got that? Easy. And you saw this one. Okay, this is a universal set. Okay, sometimes the numbers can be here outside of this circle as well. Okay, let's say 5 and 4. Okay, in such a case, if A is here and there are some number, let's say A is 5 and 2, so A is 5 and 2, so and there are some numbers like 7, 5, 7, 9, like that. So 7, 9 will be its Purak number, or we call it in English a complement set. Okay, which not comes under the A. Matlab ki whatever outside A will be A dash. Easy as that. Okay, now there was one more thing that I wanted to tell you was that symbols. Okay, symbols. Okay, this is one more symbol. You have seen this symbol in exam. So this symbol means belong to. Okay, belong to. Let's say what it means. Let's say there is a number. Okay, but I'm writing condition for that number, that number should be positive only positive. So how can I write that? So I will do that by say that number. Okay, so that let's say that number is x. Okay, so I will say that x should belong only to n number. Okay, n means what? We know that n means 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so x should be only comes under 1 2 3 up to infinity. Only these numbers can be x. Other than that, it cannot be. If it is a -1, then it cannot be x. Okay, you got that? And the one again similar was its opposite. Okay, does not belong. Okay, if there is written that x does not belong, and what it is trying to say is that the number x will not be 1 2 3, matlab it will not be natural number. Okay, natural numbers are 1 2 3 4, so x will be 0, -1, -2, or maybe in a digit, like let's say -1.5, like that. Okay, this one was that. Other than that, we all learned about the other symbol. Like for natural number we use n, for prime numbers we use p, for whole number we use w. Whole means 0 1 2 3. Then z, for integers. Integers means everything plus, minus and 0. Then we learned about rational numbers like -1, minus 1 by 5 ऐसा, 0 by 1. 0 by 1 is possible, but 1 by 0 is not possible. Okay, then we also learned that in prime number the 2 is only even digit prime number. Okay, so it was all about the numbers. Let's try to solve some questions. Okay, then I will give you questions in the group. Okay, I have got all this, so you don't need to look at that. Just look at here. One more thing, that all the numbers which we learned here, like this number, natural number, prime numbers, whole number, integer number, rational, these all numbers are infinity, right? Infinity, because 1 2 3, it natural numbers are infinity, prime numbers are infinite, it can goes and goes and goes. Okay, so when someone say natural numbers set of n is infinity. Okay, it is infinity set, all numbers are infinity, so we can call it infinity set. Now coming back to the example. Okay, this type of questions will be asked in the exam. So A is A B C D F and B is A C D G, and we have to find A intersection B. We know that this means that we only need to find the common number, common element. So what is the common between these two set? So first is A common, so we'll write A. Then B is not here, then C is here, then D is here, then F and G. No, there is no, only these three elements are common between A and B. So this will be the right answer. So here it is A, C and D. Easy. Okay, one is correct. Next goes to second. Okay, Sarvatrika means it is a Gujarati word, but we call it a union set. Okay, so union set is given as U equals to A, B, C, X, Y, Z and B, and another set has given is A, which is B, C, Y. Okay, and we need to find A dash. Okay, so let's try to, we just need to find the elements which are not inside it. Okay, but let's try to make a diagram for it. Okay, so U, and this is A has B, C, Y, B, C and Y, and U has A, B, C, X, Y and Z. Okay, so in union, what we have to do, A dash. Okay, the numbers which are not coming inside A, so those will be just let me see again. If we do it without the diagram, then the answer will be which is not inside the A. So A answer will be A, then will be C. No, B, C has A, then x and z, x and z. Okay, so this will be the answer. A has, okay, this is x. Okay, so a, this will be a dash. We wanted to find a dash, so it will be a dash. This diagram method will fall here because the c is in both sides. Okay, but we what we needed to find was, so just cancel this one. What we needed to find was a dash, the elements which does not come inside a. Okay, so they were a, x and z, a x and z. Let me just cross check this one again. Okay, answer is a, x and z. It is the correct one. Next is a and a dash. What is the relationship between a and a dash? Okay, so if we give an example, okay, if this is a, then this whole area will be a dash. Okay, easy. Now the first is what they have given, a is a subset of a dash. Is it true? Okay, let's give an example. If a has 1 2, okay, then a dash won't have 1 2, it has maybe 3 and 4. Okay, so it is not similar. Okay, subset means ki all elements should be inside this one. Okay, that is the meaning of subset. All elements of this side should be in this side. Is it the same thing? Is all elements here this side? No, they are not, so this is wrong. Then next is a intersection b dash. Okay, a intersection a dash, then what has that, equals to a. Okay, if we just go with this example, if a has 1 2, a has 1 2 and b has 3 4. Okay, and intersection means common number. Okay, what is the common between them? Common between them is nothing. It will give us empty set. So is empty set equals to a? No, it is not. This is also wrong. Then a dash, sorry, we were here, a and a dash alag gan. Okay, मतलब separate set. Okay, a and a dash are separate set, which means that it does not have anything common, which is true. It has 1 2 and this is true. This can be true because these both are separate set. And the last one is a union a dash equals to a. A union a dash equals to a. Okay, again we will go with the same example that 1 has 2. If a dash has 3 4, okay, it will it give us a, if we will do this union, what we will get is 1 2 and 3 4. This we will get. Is it equals to a? No, a means what? 1 and 2. So this is also wrong. So our answer will be a and a dash is separate set, different set. Okay, that's what they are trying to say. We came here, question 4. A is a subset of B. Then what is the following is true? Okay, see, this all are easy, but it just becomes complicated and complicated. Okay, A is subset of B. What we know about subset, that all the elements of A will be inside B. Okay, let's give it an example. If 1 2, then B will be 1 2 and 3. Sorry, this is set, this is set. Okay, all elements of A inside the B. So the first they have given A intersection B equals to A intersection B equals to, sorry, B. So this is the option A. Okay, A is 1 2, B is 1 2 3. If we do the common, if we do the intersection, we will get the 1 and 2. Is it true? No, it's not true. B has 1 2 3 and A has only, and the answer we got is only 1 2. So this is wrong. then a of b equals to b. The second is a b equals to a. Okay, a has 1 2, b has 1 2 3. Okay, if we will do union, then what will we get? If we will do union, we will get 1 2 and 3. Okay, but does a have 1 2 and 3? No, a only has 1 2. Okay, so this is not equal, so this one is also wrong. Okay, the fourth is a dash subset b dash. Wow, a dash subset b dash. Okay, let's try to do it another way. Okay, first let's do that like this: a union b. Okay, we have given the example that a is 1 2 and b is 1 2 3. So if we will do union, okay, then what will we get? 1 2 and 3. This will be the union set. Okay, now what we know about a and a dash. So a dash will be the things which does not come inside the a but comes inside the u. This is the union set. Okay, we have done this u. So what does not come inside a? A is 1 2. So what does not come inside a? It will be 3. Now what we know about b dash? Okay, that b dash which does not come inside b. Now what is b? B is 1 2 3 and union is 1 2 3. So everything is here. So b dash will be nothing, it will be empty set. Okay, so now let's do that here. That 3 set will be here, and you this a dash means 3, we wrote that, and b dash will be empty set. So can we say that 3 is a subset of empty set? No, we cannot say that. The other thing which would be possible, that this can be possible. Okay, that empty set is subset of this set. Okay, we have learned that in the note as well, that all empty set are subset of all set. Okay, we have learned that. So it will not be possible. So this a dash subset b dash will also fail. Now what is the c or d? B dash b subset a dash. Okay, this can be correct because we know what is b dash. B dash is empty set, subset of a dash. A dash is 3. Easy. It is true, we know that the empty set are subset of any set, all set. Okay, so the answer will be b dash subset a dash, d. Okay, now we will go with our next question. What is the next question? Fifth. Okay, that is a long question. If a equals to and b equals to, then a union b. What we need to find? A union b. Okay, so what we know about a, what they have given us is x has meant any given number. Okay, any number we can randomly pick. Okay, but it should be less than 4. Okay, it should be less than 4. Okay, so what can be okay, is it should be less than 4. Now there is one condition, there is a comma here, there is a comma, and the condition is given is that x should be n. Okay, we know this symbol, x belongs to n. Okay, n means natural number. Natural numbers are 1 2 3 up to infinity. Okay, so what we are saying is that this x will be only natural number. So what can be only natural number? Let's say कि 1 है, 2 है, 3 है, and 4. Okay, it will not be 5 because we have given the condition that it will be, sorry, I took that in a wrong way. Okay, the numbers will be greater than 4. Okay, whatever the x will be, it will be either 4 or greater than 4. So it will be either 4 or 5 or 6, 7, up to infinity. There can be anything. Okay, now what they have given for B is the same, but here what they have written is that it should be less than or equals to 4. The condition is same, it should be natural number, but it should be less than or equal to 4. Okay, so okay, so this one was our A. Okay, it start with 4 up to infinity. Now for B, what they were given is that x should be less than or equals to 4. Okay, less than or equals to 4, and it should be a natural number matlab 1 2 3 up to infinity. Okay, it should be less than 4. Then what is natural number which is less than 4? It is 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, and now they have given this 4, this line, so we have to include line. Okay, this means greater than, but this means greater than equal to, so we have to write that number as well. We have greater than equal to, so we have to write this 4 as well. We have to start that series with 4, and here as well we have to end that series with 4. Now what they want is, now our set is here. A is 4 5 7 up to infinity, and B is 1 2 3 4. That's it. Okay, now what they want us to find is A equals B. Let's see what the options they have given us. So they have given option A is a 4. Is it true? We have to union it. We have to union it, so it will be no. Let's try to union it ourselves first. Okay, it will be all the n number 1 2 3 4 5 6 up to infinity. Okay, 4 tak aa jayega. It will be 4 and 4 will be common. Okay, but we are doing union. Okay, so we have to only write one time, the 1 2 3 4 up to infinity. So the answer of first A will be cancelled. A won't be right. Then what is B? B means B, they have given us Z. Z means what? Z means integer numbers. Okay, integer numbers are -3/2, 0, 1/2, 5/2. Okay, integers, but it cannot be possible. We only have positive numbers, so it is wrong. Then what we have is n. Can n be the answer? Yes, it is the answer, because we only have natural numbers which start with 1 and it goes up to infinity. So our answer will be n, natural number. Okay, but let's see the last MCQ. The last MCQ is x equals to x, but x is not equals to 4. Now what basically what they are trying to say is the number is they are saying that x cannot be equal to 4, which is not true, because we are taking, this is a complete bullshit. It's saying that x should not be 4 when x should not be 4, when x divided by x. Okay, when x divided by x, it should not give the answer of 4, which is not possible. If we do that like 16 divided by 4, then we will get 4, so which is not true. So our answer will be n, but still let me just cross check this one. The answer is n. Okay, the next question, A B x y and B is B x x y. Oh, so B union A union B. We have to write all the numbers. We just don't need to repeat that one. So answer will be B. Easy. A B x y and A B and Z here. Easy. Answer will be B. The last question, union hai. Union is 1 2 3 up to 7 and A is 2 3 6 7. So we have to write A dash. Okay, easy. Those will not come in A, will become in A dash. So will be 1 and 2. The 1 is not here, the 1 will be somewhere in the answer here. 1, then there is 3, but there's no 4, but there will be 4, then it's 5. Answer will be D. Easy. So our set theory, the basics of set theory is complete. I will ask some tough questions in PDF, but this was the logic all behind that, and we have learned that. So just you don't need to watch that in 2x. Just revise this one. Okay.